Hey guys, welcome welcome back to the channel. Jdevinci here with a Luvmehair wig install in one of my favorite wigs that I have ever applied. Like when I say I absolutely adore this hair, like when I took it out of the box and I was touching it, I told my husband, please touch this hair because it is so thick and so soft. Like sometimes like with body wave hair, this is straight hair, but sometimes with wigs, we go for the body wave because we want like a thick straightened wig, like body full, thick from root to tip. This is it. Like, oh my God, this hair is everything. It's gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoy. I did glue it down with one layer of glue, like I said. I love this hair. Let me stop rambling and let's get into it.
Stop playing with him.
Jdevinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch.
So you guys, we're back with another Luvmehair wig install. You guys, this wig might be my most favorite wig out of all of the wigs that I have ever tried. The hair is thick from root to tip. The ends are just clipped perfectly. Absolutely gorgeous. It did come pre-bleached, but I did bleach it again. Whenever I try to do my wigs, I just really try to do a good job. What I'm gonna do now is just briefly try on the wig, let you guys see. You guys know I prefer comfort over any and everything. So this is what the side is looking like. To me, it actually looks really good. I'm excited. And I have pre-straightened the hair. I find that it's actually way easier to do it on a mannequin because sometimes we just, oh, it's so silky and pretty. Sometimes we get lazy. I don't know. It's just way easier to do it on an actual mannequin. Going with my Erica J. And last time I didn't put on enough. So you guys, I only go in with one layer of glue. Kind of try to let it be thin, like, you know, and we're not going to apply it until it's completely clear. Okay, it's fairly clear, so let's go in and put that bad boy on. Just so you guys are aware, this is what half of the lace looks like. I still do have the other half on. Very melty lace, okay? Before I go in and actually spray the hairline, because we do have pieces that are lifting, I like to just comb it backwards. Trying to see. So now that my hair is already like straightened, everything is going to be super easy. This bad boy is thick. I literally have never felt anything like it. Like, it was so nice that I made my husband like feel it because I was like, dude, there is no way in hell this hair should be this silky and bomb. Oh God. Like, this might be my favorite Luvmehair wig. And I straightened it maybe like 2 weeks ago. So I just straightened it and threw it in my pile of wigs that I needed, like, you know, to unbox and do. This is still so silky. And I think I don't want like any baby hair. So it hasn't been on for much time, but let's remove it together. So I haven't like kept it on for a long time. You guys, when I say that I absolutely adore this hair, as you guys can see, it's just so shiny, so lusterful, thick from root to tip. Like I said, this is one of my favorite wigs that I have ever installed from Luvmehair. It's silky, straight. Like sometimes we're all looking for that bone straight hair, but we're not gonna get it with body wave hair, but we like that texture of the body wave, you know what I mean? And this is just all in all, hitting every single, it's doing it for me. Like I absolutely love this hair. Hope you guys enjoyed. I did glue it down. I only used one layer of glue. You guys can see this part is thick. I didn't add any additional makeup. I don't have on a wig cap. This wig is bomb. And it's a frontal, so you can part it however you want to, but I just wanted a bust down middle. Everyday wig for me. You are it. Okay, bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like Jdevinci.